Hey yo, what is up y'all? It's your boy G-Man here and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I will be doing something very different. You see here, I'm in my kitchen, about to do something cool in here. Now, do you guys like, let me just say that before I get into today's video, if you're wondering what I'm wearing, these are the Blue Flames CMP logo limited edition shirts. They're available on the link in the description down below. And I got some other merchandise I've been showing you for the past couple weeks. But anyway, I'll show you what today I'm doing. Now, for today's video, do you guys love to watch movies, TV shows, or play video games? And if you see scenes that people make food, some meals, and you think it looks good and you decided wanted to make your own? But today, this is our first ever episode of cooking entertainment food. But now, for this recipe, this is called Asian beef from the video game Beyond Two Souls. And I'm going to show you guys how to make it, just like in the video game. First things first, we're starting to chop up some bell pepper and onion. But I'm going to go rinse this off first before chopping it. Alrighty, now I'm back. Now, let's chop everything. I know my cutting board is not that big, but in future episodes I will have some other good equipment to cook. Make sure you get rid of all the seeds, which this will be easy to get rid of. But make sure you slice these by making like this. Now I got my peppers chopped up. Now we just gotta cut the onion. First thing, you need to unwrap this. I'll separate these peppers out of the way. And let me dry off this very quickly before it's wet. I know it's kind of weird to cook like this, but in future episodes I will have a little counter to extend up bigger. But anyway, let me just set this right here so I can show you on camera how to do it. And I know I'm gonna get teared up by onions. Now that I got my onion all peeled up, now it's time to slice them. Make sure you do exactly like I did with the peppers. So yeah, I'm gonna use this whole thing so I don't have to, this thing won't go to waste. I know it's a lot, but it's what it is. I don't wanna use that part. Probably this is enough. Now you just slice some like these. Next thing you do after vegetables are chopped. Now I don't have a wok. I'm gonna use my non-stickable pan now we'll just heat this up until it gets hot. Yeah. And also you're gonna need some strip fajita meat, or if you have steak, you could cut it up. But this is way easier, so I don't have to waste my time cutting the beef to steak, the steak to fajita meat or stir fry meat. Now that you've got your pan heated up, you're gonna need some olive oil, because I don't want to recommend don't use this because olive oil might be a little healthier. But here you go. Swirl some little bit on there. Put it right here. And finally get this beef open. So I'm gonna use this. And you're gonna have to put this all together like Jody, aka Ellen Page, did this. Make sure you swirl it around so it doesn't stay like the same. Feel like that's hot enough. Let's add our vegetables. I know it's not big enough to cook all this, but now that I've stirred enough for this, it's time to add some stuff into it. All you need is 1 shake of salt and some freshly ground pepper. Now, if you played the video game, if you decided to add a ginger, where Jody says it's not in the recipe, but I'm gonna add ginger to it. That looks good enough. Now we got the salt and pepper ginger seasoning. Now it's time to add some more flavoring. Now, I don't have Japanese sake because I'm under 21 to buy alcohol. So I'm gonna use Kikkoman naturally brewed soy sauce and Mae Ploy. So let's add some soy sauce to it. I'm a big Kikkoman soy sauce lover, and Mae Ploy too. Have some of that. Oh, that's a little too much. My fault. Now we got that. Now while that is cooking, I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way so I can do a custom thumbnail once I put this on a plate. Now it's time to add this onto your plate. Now be careful because I got some soy sauce left over. It's liquid stuff. This looks a little too much. Here, let me get some bell peppers on this. And this is probably gonna be my dinner for tonight because I haven't eaten nothing for just now. Looks good enough. I'll be right back. I'm gonna create a thumb. Oh wait, almost forgot. In the gameplay where Jody had a white glass of wine. Just so you know, this is non-alcoholic wine. So YouTube, please don't, let me open this. I never had this stuff before. Now I'll be right back. Take a thumbnail picture for the thumbnail. Let me move this out of the way. Now that I got my custom thumbnail done, now it's time to taste test. It comes down to taste. And I'm gonna tell you, this is really, really good. And then Jody and his boyfriend Brian says, to my new apartment, Not bad. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. That stuff was really good. But let me know in the comments down below what other recipes should I do from movies, TV shows, or video games. Let me know and I will do it. Or some other videos, which I took a break from. Overnight challenges, Fortnite, pranks. I'm still doing those. And also, make sure if you want your merchandise, the link is in the description. But be sure to keep it out for more of. And until next time on CMP.